Manjula. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy and delicious dessert, tiramisu. Tiramisu is a coffee-flavored Italian dessert made of sponge fingers and layered with mascarpone and cream. For the classic tiramisu, normally we use eggs. So we separate the eggs, we cook the eggs with sugar and wheat and all this good stuff. For this recipe, I don't add any eggs. So if you're someone who doesn't like eggs in the dessert, this is for you. Let's go check the ingredients. Now the first step is I'm gonna whisk the cream. So when you whisk the cream, it's very important for the cream is to be very chill. It gives you a nice high volume. Let's go do the whisking. Here I have added my cream. I'm using a stand mixer, but if you don't have a stand mixer, you can always use a hand mixer. So we are only whisking until it forms the soft peak, not the stiff peak. After this forms a nice and soft peak, I like to add some vanilla. But if you don't have vanilla, don't worry about it. Vanilla gives a nice, rich, decadent flavor to the dish. Now I can see the cream is nice and soft. At this stage, I'm adding some vanilla. About half a tablespoon. Normally, I would like to add some brandy or some coffee liqueur straight after the vanilla, but my daughter is going to eat this as well, so I'm not going to add any alcohol. But feel free to add some brandy or any coffee-based liqueur. I'm going to turn this off, and the next step is to add the mascarpone. Mascarpone is such a rich and creamy cheese. It's absolutely delicious. I have added the mascarpone into the cream mixture and now I'm going to mix it. Okay. So this is how the soft bake looks like. It looks so luscious and creamy. Now I'm going to assemble the dish. Here I have a very heavy based dish. The reason I like to use a heavy based dish because I can see lots of layers. So at least in this dish, it's deep, you can do at least 3 layers. Here I got my ladyfinger biscuits. One by one I'm gonna dunk them in the coffee mixture and lay them on the dish. So I'll take one. So I have my first ladyfinger. I dip it in the coffee mixture, not too long, and place it on the dish. Make sure when you dip the ladyfinger, don't keep it for too long because it will go mushy and soggy and you won't get a nice tiramisu. Okay, now my first layer is done and it's time to do the cream filling. Here's my mascarpone cream filling. I'm going to take a good dollop and just put it right on the sponge fingers. My first layer is done and I'm going to repeat with the second layer. So this is my final and the third layer. For use a piping bag to pipe on the mascarpone. It gives a nice restaurant quality to the dish. So you just pipe some dots all the way to the end. The piping is done and I love the look of it, so classy. The final step is to dust with some beautiful cocoa. Look at this. The tiramisu is done. It looks so beautiful and classy. This goes in the fridge for about 6 to 8 hours. You can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days to a week. Tiramisu is a great make-ahead dessert. If you have any family and friends coming over, make these 2 days ahead and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. I'll see you soon with another